Hey girly, today I create fiery pink French nail. First I apply thinner to remove the shining of the nail. Then I pick the nude shade from eyeshadow palette. Apply this shade on my nail and rub in different directions. So finally I draw a base coat. Then I used white shade on my nail tip. So I draw a straight line and create U shape on the top of the nail. And lastly you draw a curved line on the both sides of the nail. And that's it. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I hope you like it. Do press the subscribe button and bell icon and drop the positive comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.